These Crockpot Ranch Pork Chops could not be any more delicious, and with just a handful of simple ingredients, they couldn't be any easier. Let me show you how to make them. We're going to start with a can of cream of chicken into our crock pot, fill it halfway with water, put it into your pot. Let's get a packet of ranch seasoning and a teaspoon of cornstarch. Add it in. Now, I had out my 8-quart I forgot from the holidays, so I realized this really was not going to be thick enough of the sauce. So I'm going to double it up. Perfect example of how easy it is to do it. Add another can of cream of chicken, another half a cup of can of water, some more ranch seasoning, and some more cornstarch. Give it a mix. Now, 6 pork chops, but I actually added 3 more because originally my intent was to do this original recipe, but I doubled it. So I added in my 6 pork chops, salted and peppered. Just make sure that they're underneath the liquid, and I realized I had plenty of room left, so I went ahead and added 3 more pork chops. We're a family of 6, so it really ended up perfect, and we literally ate every bite. My boys loved this. The meat was just, you didn't need a knife. It was just falling off, so tender. Here it is halfway. Give it a check, give it a mix. Here it is at the end. The sauce is ready to go. Serve it over rice or mashed potatoes. Absolutely delicious. Make a nice little yummy, easy side dish. This is pure perfection. A nice Sunday comfort meal. So easy.